Noble Knitter, it's Nancy Queen, and today is all about fun knitting projects. In fact, these are the projects that you'll want to knit for your kids or grandkids that they will actually love to receive. They'll snuggle with them, they'll cuddle with them, and you'll see them carrying these around everywhere they go. Well, what are the projects? It's all shark knitting project. Well, guess what? Discovery's Shark Week is coming up July 11th. They have a fun week planned all about shark education, and why not have little sharks to cuddle with while you're watching shark shows? So let's dive right in. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell to get notified every time I post. So I've rounded up 12 really cool and adorable shark stuffed animal toys that you can knit. Now I will provide links to all of these projects and the yarns that you can use in the description below. The first project is this hammerhead shark stuffed animal that you can make. This is a advanced beginner to intermediate pattern because there are some picking up stitches, shaping, putting stitches on a stitch holder, as well as increasing and decreasing. It's created by Amanda Berry using a DK weight yarn. Project number 2 is a Sharkney Cowl knitting project, and I love it because it's got all these sharks swimming under the water. And it goes all the way around, so it's a repetitive pattern, and I think this one is a lot of fun to knit. Now, if you're concerned about knitting this pattern because it's a round, it's not. The pattern was actually knitted flat and then seamed. So give it a go. If you're an advanced beginner, this project is perfect for you. The project was created by Nicole Peters, and it also uses DK weight yarn. Number 3 is another stuffed animal. This is Clancy Jr. shark knitting pattern, and it was created by Rebecca Olson, and it uses a super bulky weight yarn. It's primarily knitted in the round, but then when you get to the body part with the 2 colors, that portion is knitted separately and then seamed. Number 4 is a really cool project that would be great for back to school. This is a shark knitting pencil case created by Nicola Valigi. It's a free knitting pattern. There's a zipper that goes around the mouth to close up the case, and you can download the free pattern in the description below, and it uses a DK weight yarn. Now, if you're looking for a bigger project, you can knit a 15-inch shark with this shark toy knitting pattern, number 5 on our list. Even his pointy teeth are knitted. It was created by Claire Dornobos. It uses a worsted weight yarn. Now, if you're looking for a really adorable hat, I've got a shark hat for you. This one is the Shark Slouchy Hat knitting pattern created by Julie Turbide. It uses a worsted weight yarn and comes in sizes for the whole family from 6 months to adult. Knit one for everyone that loves sharks. Number 7 on our list is this shark toy stuffed animal knitting pattern created by Angela Turner. It's mostly knitted in stockinette stitch, and it uses worsted weight yarn. The holidays are coming earlier this year with project number 8, the Shark Christmas Stockings knitting pattern, and there are 2 stocking patterns. One is a shark and the other is a surfer. I think they are great together. They're Fair Isle knitting patterns. This is more of an advanced or intermediate project. You'll be knitting in the round and working Fair Isle. And there's also an alphabet graph that comes with it in case you want to personalize the stocking. This was created by Gigi Knits, and it uses DK weight yarn. Project number 9 is this Shark Attack blanket knitting pattern. Perfect for cozying up during Shark Week. It was designed by Angie Hartley and the photo A.G. Ziller. The pattern itself comes with children's sizes, but it's very easy to adapt for adult sizes as well. And you have the ability to knit it back and forth or knit it in the round. It uses 2 skeins held together at the same time, so you're up on bigger needles, and it's a quick project. Project number 10 on my list are the Deep Blue Sea Shark Attack Mittens knitting pattern. They're so cute. Who would not want a pair of shark mittens? They come in 4 sizes and they were designed by Brianna Svevum. You'll use a worsted weight yarn and have a lot of fun knitting these mittens. Project number 11, mini cutie shark knitting pattern created by Nicola Marie Ratley. The shark easily fits in one hand. It's a cute little mini shark and it uses DK weight yarn. Now, you know I don't like to do anything without throwing in a washcloth somewhere, so project number 12 is Shark Washcloth. It's a free knitting pattern and it's designed by Daisy and Storm. Use it as a dishcloth, a washcloth, or as a square for an afghan. I mean, you could make a whole blanket of shark squares, and you can use either DK or worsted weight yarn. I hope you've enjoyed all of these projects, and I'll see you in the next video.